Hey, welcome back to Wayne County. You know, right here where we took off for our ride to go check out the Paiute Trail System, the new addition to the trail system is actually a ride in itself. This area is called Big Rocks, and there's a family here that lives in Wayne County that 3 generations now. They've been working on a great outdoor activity, and it's called trial riding. Never heard of it. Well, let's go check it out.
This is called a trials bike. These are kind of an interesting creature where you don't sit down, so there's no seat on these. They're for climbing rocks and trails. These are something that's really lightweight, kind of jumpy on the throttle and really low geared, so you're meant to go slow. They're not a speed bike.
So when you come up to a trail and you see a rock like this in an ATV or an old motorcycle, you go around. These, you say, grab second gear, dump the throttle, dump the clutch, and the inside of your ear goes on the top of your head, and it's like hitting the top of a roller coaster. You just land on top and smile and look back and go, that was fun. And then you go find another one.
Ryan and Cliff's dad got them and their younger brother, who they admit is the best in the family, into trials bikes when they were young. Now, they're passing their love of the sport to their kids.
Probably my favorite's the adrenaline rush. But I like going up and down a lot. I'll do all the bigger stuff.
Your goal is to hit my hand.
We're pretty unique.
You'll do it. Don't even look at me.
Most of my other friends all ride dirt bikes.
That's pretty awesome. When we grew up, our house is just 5 miles from here, and so we would ride our motorcycles out here, have our tents all set up, ride till dark, roast a hot dog, wake up, ride some more, go home, do our chores, move the hay bales, come back out. We'd sleep out here so many nights during the summer. And it developed skills to where our youngest brother became the #1 rider in the whole state of Utah. He passed all of us older boys, and now we get together and we just play, and it's so fun. All right, time to see the old guys still do it.
Big Rocks is located just a few miles south of Loa. It's a popular site for trials bikes. There's even a Utah club called Utah Moto Trials Association.
So each month we have a competition where there's about 60 riders that get together and ride, and then of course we do other events, other trail rides and things like that around the state. People come from all over the place, not just Utah. We have riders that come from Idaho and Colorado and even California and places that come enjoy this neat spot. Big Rocks is one of their favorites. Everywhere you'll see, there's somewhere where they set up a course where you have to stay inside the ribbons and stay in and try to complete the course without touching your feet to the ground, or crashing, of course, happens once in a while. But tip overs are pretty easy with these bikes because they just tip over and you hop back on and keep going. You can't beat being on a bike and out in the hills, and there's trails all over these beautiful mountains that we get experience without getting too tired. It's like a pedal bike with a motor. You don't have to ever get tired from pedaling.
Did that family remind you of a family you know? A lot like your family.
Yeah.
Yeah, they like to ride.
Everybody rides together and helps out each other and has a good time.
And that's what it's about. It's a community and it's a family thing. I mean, that family's deep in it.
Yeah.
3 generations.
I was gonna say, there was grandma, grandpa, dad, the kids, everybody was there.
Yeah, and you guys sell beta, right?
Yeah, we sell the Beta Trials bikes.
Okay. People can come in and order one?
Yeah, we don't stock a lot of them, but we can order. They always have them available to order, so you can order any model that you want and have it there within a week.